So here we are in France, getting ready to do some snowboarding, Mike and I.
Yep.
This is the first time I've tried snowboarding after total knee replacement 8 months ago. So see you at the bottom, see what happens. So this episode is 8 months in to the knee replacement. I went on a snowboarding trip in Switzerland. Right now, I'm about a year out. I actually just had my 1 year evaluation with Dr. Alexander, and he said that the knee is doing great. Just keep doing what I'm doing. Don't run. That was his one thing. Do not run. He's like, you'll take it from 30 years of life down to 10 years. So I'm not running. I'm trying to hold off, doing the best that I can. But I've been biking. I can go kayaking. I do all my leg workouts at the gym. Super active, feels great, up and down stairs, no problem. No problems at all with the knee, not bothering me at all. And it all boils back to all the rehab, not just rehab, but maintenance and continuing to work really hard on it for the last year, basically. So let's take a look at how I actually did here with some of the snowboarding. And I'm going to show you what I had to do in order to be able to snowboard. So the knee felt great, but I had to protect it, so I have a knee brace that I'm going to show you what I have to wear in order to be able to do this. Alright, so we made it. Did a few runs here today. The knee held up really good. This is going to be the 4th run of the day. So 8 months, total knee replacement, riding the slope snowboarding in France and Switzerland. Good stuff.
So here we are at Gornegrat. Take the train up to Gornegrat here. This is where we begin today with the fake knee. You boys ready for a run? Matterhorn, snow, fake knee. We're gonna do this. Good flexion, you know, I can lock it out all the way like it's supposed to, and as far as bending it, that's how close I can get my heel to my butt. So, you know, not too far away. It's getting better. I'd like to be able to get it all the way back like this one, where you can touch. So that's the goal. So as you can see, it's never going to be the same size and the same look as a normal knee again, but it's really coming along very well. This is what enables me to actually be able to snowboard, this knee brace here, and I did great with it. I'm gonna try volleyball sometime soon with this as well. But I'll show you what all is involved with this crazy thing. We're going to fast forward through this. That's the basic, generic first pass at getting that on. Once that's on, I always go through and tighten everything up extra. Because the last thing you want is this sliding on you. So, that's pretty tight. It's pretty secure. You know, it restricts the movement some, but I still have that almost that same flexion that I had before, really. You might see this right here. It's just a little extra added piece of neoprene that I actually put back there so that this particular strap in the back of the knee doesn't dig right into the back of the hamstring like that. So it's just this little neoprene strap that I just kind of looped on that I put right there. Now, one of the extra things that I do, because I'll end up wearing this thing for probably 8 hours or so, and if you're going to wear it that long, you don't want it sliding up and down on you. You want it to be really secure. So I have these additional straps that I use to help it not slide everywhere. So there you go. That's what it takes in order to be able to snowboard. And it actually feels pretty secure, you know, once you've got it all strapped up like that and tight. But that's the deal.
That was straight up like this big dude. Nice.
All right, well, here we are.
Hello.
Chilling
Cheers.
at the Igloo Dorf. So this is rehab for my knee. This is all good for me. This is what helps make my knee healthy again. Being out here, lounging in the sun on the side of a mountain.
Matter of fact, it was
And that nice soft
didn't your
powder.
doctor tell you in order for your knee to heal properly?
I think this is part of
you had
doctor's
to-
orders.
You had to go to Switzerland.
Yeah. So Dr. Alexander,
Yeah,
thank you for
and
recommending that I do this. This is part of my rehab, and he's doing great. Thank you.
Video.
Alright, go for it, man.
Well, there you go. I got a million videos of me up here.
I'm taking a picture of you, taking a picture of me.
All right, let's do it. Ready? Off we go.